There are places that don't just welcome you, they draw you in. Welcome to Diamond Mango. Step inside, and the outside world fades. The rhythm slows, and something better takes its place. Feel the shift. Light, texture, silence, in perfect balance. Every detail speaks without ever needing to be heard. Here, time doesn't rush. It unfolds. Conversations linger, laughter stays, and moments become memories. This is where you return to yourself, where stillness feels full. Not just space you live in, but space that lives with you. Here, rest isn't something you find, it finds you. Diamond Mango. Experienced. Stay in the moment.